Guys, I'm going to make a lion sound with just a straw and some milk tea. And you can do any water you want, actually. Just watch. So cool. I'm retaking. Yes, that's so cool, guys. Okay, bye-bye.